little bit tricky. Alright, so I wanted to just show you what the sort looks like, so that tonight for your homework, okay, what I would like to see is you sorting these words into the categories they belong in, because this is going to help you with the spelling patterns. So we're looking at OO words, okay, OO words, and this OO makes an OO sound, an OO, 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 alright? So words that would go into the OO sound are like rooster, okay? And you remember seeing rooster on your spelling list? Okay, so we've got rooster, cartoon. Alright, I mean, you know how to spell car, and then it's just putting the OO words, the OO part on the end of it. But you have to know that this makes an OO. So this OO is OO. So we've got rooster, we've got cartoon, we've got Moody. Alright, Moody, maybe you're not in a very good mood, or you change moods pretty quickly. You're moody. Alright, we've got toothache. Alright, tooth. Alright, tooth could also just go in here by itself, but this also has ache. You be careful with ache, because it's a CH that makes it k. Ache. Alright, we've got cocoon. And you guys know what a cocoon is, where the caterpillar crawls in, and then he spins a cocoon and he turns into a butterfly. Cocoon. We've got balloon. So any of the words that have OO in it are going to go into this sort. Alright? And there's a handful of others that will go in here. And then your next set of words is going to be a U, and then some kind of consonant. Okay, so it might be a D, it might be an S, alright, but it's some letter that's going to go in here, and then an E. Okay, these are examples. U and S could go in there, alright, and it's going to be in your word. So, for example, the word include. Look, C-L, look, U-D-E. So see this? Right here. It's this. I just put a square for that, for the letter that would go in there. But include, to include something. We also have conclude. Alright, the ending is the same as include. C-L-U-D-E. See this right here? Conclude. Right? That means to finish, to come to the conclusion, to conclude. We have the word excuse. Alright, that's not a D, but it's an S. Excuse or excuse. See that right there? Alright, it's an S in there. But you hear this U sound? Right? It sounds like U or oo. Include. Excuse. Okay, so that's what makes that oo or U here, is this E on the end and that letter in between. Alright, what other words do we have here? Amuse, right? If you amuse someone, maybe you make them laugh. Okay, amuse. I'm going to amuse you with this magic trick. Okay, I'm going to sort your spelling words into patterns and teach you how to spell them. I hope that you will be amused by this and learn your words. Alright, refuse. Alright, refuse. And see? It's that same pattern on the end. So, and there's some others that also fit into here. So we have oo words with OO. And we have oo or U words with U something and then E, usually an S or a D in these words. Okay? Then we, of course, we have a few oddballs, which are just plain tricky words. Okay? And one of the oddballs, for example, is Tuesday, which just happens to be today. So it's a good day for us to study this word. Okay? Because it's Tuesday. So watch what happens with Tuesday, though. First of all, Tuesday you have to capitalize because it's the name of the day of the week. So you're not going to get it right on your spelling test, especially if you do it on the computer if you don't capitalize it. Okay? So that's the problem that you might have realized. Look at this, T-U-E-S, and then day, Tuesday. So this is kind of odd because it's not really this pattern. It's like U and the E squished together with this thing after it. So it's not that. Then there's the word beauty, which, my goodness, if you can remember how to spell this word, I think you're doing really well. Because this is a tricky word for sure. Beauty is B-E-A-U-T-Y. This is one of those words you just kind of have to remember. Okay, beauty is B-A-U-D. Okay? If you can remember that, I don't know what a uDe is, but B-A-U-D. Beauty. Okay? Just put it together. Okay, and you can remember it. Alright? So, that's one word. This is always going to be a tricky word. And then there's the word, which I'm not going to, well, I'll put it here. It's not one of your words for your list. But the word beautiful. Okay? Beautiful, we want to try to spell that word so many different ways. But it's the same, look. B-E-A-U-T instead of Y-I-F-U-L. Okay, this is, like I said, not on your list, but beautiful. Okay? It's just a hard word to remember, but that's maybe a way that could help you. And I think those are the two tricky ones. And then there's the word cougar, which is C-O-U-G-A-R. Not E-R, guys. A-R. Cougar. Okay? So, I just want to make sure we reviewed these sorts. So it's the oo sounds. And for your work tonight, I want you to sort them out. You can write a sentence for them in each sort if you want to. Okay, but the key thing I really want to see is that you can put them in the categories, because that's going to help you so much when you go to spell them. Okay? Any questions?
No.